Imagine buying a coin for just a few cents and watching it turn into thousands of dollars in your wallet. This is not a fantasy. It has happened to real people many times in the crypto world. Back in 2013, Ethereum was sold in its early stage for around 30 cents per coin. By late 2021, it reached over $4,800. That means a simple $100 bet turned into more than $1.6 million. Stories like this are the reason millions of people around the world are searching for the next big cryptocurrency before it becomes famous. But finding a good coin early is not about luck. It is about knowing where to look, what to check, and how to think smartly. In this video, we will walk you through a simple beginner-friendly guide on how to spot strong cryptocurrencies early, before the rest of the world jumps in. Stay with us till the end because we will also share the common traps that trick new investors every single day. The first thing you need to understand is that the crypto market is huge. According to CoinMarketCap, there are more than 13,000 active cryptocurrencies in 2025, and new ones are being launched almost every hour. Most of these coins will fail. In fact, a study shared by Chainalysis found that nearly 90% of new tokens lose value within the first year. So finding a winner is like finding a small needle in a giant field. But the good news is that every successful coin leaves clues behind. If you learn how to read those clues, your chances of spotting a winner go up by a lot. The earliest investors in Bitcoin, Solana, and Shiba Inu were not geniuses. They simply followed a set of smart habits that most beginners ignore. The first habit is doing strong research, also called DYOR in the crypto world, which means do your own research. Many new people buy a coin only because their friend told them or because they saw it trending on social media. This is the biggest mistake in crypto investing. Before putting even $1 in a project, you should read the coin's official website. You should check its white paper, which is a simple document that explains what the project does, why it exists, and how it plans to grow. A strong project will always have a clear, honest, and easy to understand white paper. If the website feels empty, if the white paper is full of big words with no real meaning, or if the team promises quick riches, that is a huge red flag. Another important step is checking the team behind the coin. Real projects are built by real people. You want to see their names, their faces, their past work, and their LinkedIn profiles. According to a report by Solidus Labs, around 200,000 scam tokens were identified in 2022 alone, and most of them had anonymous or fake teams. A strong team with public identity and a good history in tech, finance, or blockchain is a sign of trust. When the people behind the project are proud to show their work, it usually means they are building something real. Next comes the community. In the crypto world, community is everything. A coin with no community is like a shop with no customers. You can check the activity of a project on platforms like X, Reddit, Discord, and Telegram. A healthy community is not just large in number. It is active, curious, and respectful. If you see people asking real questions, sharing real updates, and building real discussions, that is a good sign. But if the community is full of only rocket emojis, price talks, and copy-paste messages, be careful. Many scam projects pay bots and fake users to create a loud but empty crowd. After community, the next step is studying the use case of the coin. Ask yourself one simple question. What real problem does this coin solve? Bitcoin solved the problem of digital money. Ethereum solved the problem of smart contracts. Chainlink solved the problem of real-world data on the blockchain. Every strong coin has a clear mission. If a new project cannot explain in simple words what it actually does for the world, it will most likely fade away. According to Statista, only about 5% of cryptocurrencies launched between 2017 and 2022 are still active today. The ones that survived all had one thing in common. They offered real value. Another powerful tool every beginner should learn is tokenomics. This word may sound heavy, but it simply means the economy of the coin. You need to check how many coins exist, how many are in the market, who holds the biggest share, and how new coins are created. A healthy project has a fair supply, balanced distribution, and a clear plan for future tokens. If a small group of wallets holds 60 or 70% of the total supply, that is very dangerous. These big holders, often called whales, can sell their coins anytime and crash the price. Websites like CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, and Etherscan offer free tools to check all of this information in just a few clicks. Now let us talk about where to actually find new coins before they blow up. Many early investors use launchpads like Binance Launchpad, CoinList, and Polkastarter. These platforms introduce brand new projects that have been tested and approved. Another great source is DEX platforms such as Uniswap and PancakeSwap, where very new tokens are listed early. You can also use tools like DEX Tools and DEX Screener to track trending pairs in real time. Many early Shiba Inu buyers found the coin through these tools, months before it exploded in 2021, with gains of more than 40 million% in a single year. Yes, that number is real, and it remains one of the biggest crypto gains in history. However, with big chances come big risks. The crypto market is one of the most unpredictable markets in the world. Bitcoin itself has dropped more than 70% multiple times in its history. In 2022, the total crypto market lost almost $2 trillion in value in just a few months. So always remember one golden rule: never invest more than you can afford to lose. Smart. Investors always keep their risky bets small and never put their rent or savings into any crypto coin. Another smart tip for beginners is to think long-term. The best crypto winners were not found in a day. They grew over months and years. If you buy a strong project and hold it with patience, you have a better chance of seeing real growth. According to a report by Fidelity, long-term crypto holders, also known as hodlers, made far better returns than short-term traders between 2017 and 2023. Patience is truly the secret weapon in this space. Before we finish, let us also talk about the common traps that hurt new investors the most. The first trap is FOMO, which means fear of missing out. Buying a coin only because everyone else is buying it usually ends in loss. The second trap is pump and dump schemes, where a group of people push a small coin's price up and then sell it all at once, leaving everyone else with empty bags. The third trap is fake influencers who are paid to promote weak projects. Always trust facts over hype. So to find a good cryptocurrency early, you need 4 strong habits. You need to research deeply, check the team, study the tokenomics, and believe in the use case. If all these 4 boxes tick, you are already far ahead of most beginners in the market. The crypto world is full of chances, but it is also full of noise. With the right mindset, patience, and learning, even a small investor can find a life-changing coin. Your journey starts with one smart step, and that step is knowledge. If you enjoyed this guide and learned something new, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more beginner-friendly crypto tips and powerful money guides. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.